Gyeongnyeong is a city where lush green trees and refreshing breezes linger. Here lies Ojucheon, a historic site that still breathes with the spirit of Yulgok Yi, one of the Joseon dynasty's greatest scholars, and his mother, the renowned artist 신사임당. Named after the black bamboo, or ojuk, that grows abundantly across the grounds, this place holds a deep, timeless serenity. Now let's step inside and take a quiet stroll through Ojucheon, where the subtle scent of traditional ink still seems to drift through the air. As you pass through Ipjumun Gate and enter the courtyard, the tranquil charm of traditional Hanok architecture warmly welcomes you. The first structure you'll encounter is the main building of Ojucheon. Inside is a room known as Mongryong Seal. This is a truly profound space. It is here that 신사임당 gave birth to Yulgok Yi, right after having a conception dream of a black dragon soaring into the sky. Just a few steps away from the main building, you'll find Munseongsa, a dedicated shrine housing the portrait of Yulgok. Moving further along, the outer and inner quarters sit gracefully side by side, centered around Eojigak. Everywhere your steps take you, the profound legacy, scholarly devotion, and life traces of this remarkable mother and son remain perfectly preserved. After exploring the historic pavilions, our next stop is the Yulgok Memorial Hall. This exhibition space beautifully captures the artistic and scholarly achievements of 신사임당, Yulgok, and their family all in one place. A major highlight here is the vibrant media art. Masterpieces like 신사임당's Chochungdo, renowned for her delicate observations of nature, are brought vividly to life right before your eyes, allowing you to experience classical art through a dynamic, modern lens. Within the Ojucheon grounds, there's another fascinating spot you won't want to miss: the Gangneung Currency Museum. It was built to celebrate a truly unique milestone, the world's first mother and son to be featured on a nation's currency. We see them every day: 신saimdang on the 50,000 won note, and Yulgok Yi on the 5,000 won note. Here, you can easily and enjoyably discover everything from the hidden anti-counterfeiting technologies inside these bills to the entire minting process. Plus, with an impressive collection of rare commemorative coins from around the globe, it's an engaging and rewarding experience for both kids and adults alike. The final stop on our journey through Ojucheon is the Gangneung Municipal Museum, a place that beautifully preserves the rich history and culture of the Yeongdong region. As a city with deep historical roots, Gyeongneung has countless stories to tell. Here you can explore a fascinating array of archaeological artifacts unearthed in the area, spanning from prehistoric times all the way to the modern era. Displays of ancient pottery, ceramics, and everyday relics offer a wonderful glimpse into the lives of our ancestors, illuminating the flow of time that has shaped this remarkable city. Starting from Ojucheon, where the lives and legacy of two great figures reside, we've journeyed through the stories of our currency and the rich history of the Yeongdong region. We hope you'll visit Ojucheon for yourself and let the unforgettable, deep, and tranquil serenity of this place linger in your heart.